Stop letting big tech hold the key for your digital life. Today, I'm showing you how to host your own password manager that is faster, more reliable, and has more premium features, and for free. So you might know Bitwarden. It's open source and awesome, but the official self-hosted server is heavy. It requires a lot of RAM and a complex database setup. Now Vaultwarden is a rewrite of Bitwarden, and it has a lot of built-in features like TOTP generation, file attachments, and YubiKey support. It's also tiny, so you can install it on a small Raspberry Pi Zero. So without taking much of your time, let's get into it. Before we deploy, one golden rule: security. Password managers hold the key for your kingdom. To use the mobile app or the browser extension for Vaultwarden, you must have HTTPS, because these apps won't work without HTTPS. So that's why I'm going to install Nginx Proxy Manager first. Let's scroll down here and copy this bad boy and go to Portainer. I have a full video on how to install Portainer. If you don't have that yet, make sure to watch that video first. And go to Stack, add Stack. I will call this npm and paste this bad boy. Scroll down and deploy. And it's done, so let's go to Containers and click on the port 81 to open the web UI. Create your first admin user, so my name today is OGLoke, email address, and a secure password. Now go to certificates to add your domain, add certificate, add your domain, so it will be star.libredata.org. DNS provider is Cloudflare. Here I have to enter the Cloudflare API token, so I will get this. Go to Cloudflare, and here click on your user profile, API tokens, create token, and get started. Permissions are OK, so you have to select zone, DNS, and edit. And under zone resources, you have to include specific zone and select your domain. Now scroll down and continue to summary and create token. Alright, this is the API token, so copy it and go back to Nginx Proxy Manager, paste it here, and save. If you are feeling that Nginx Proxy Manager is complicated, I have a detailed video on it, so watch that video first, then come back here. Alright, now it's installed, so let's try to issue the certificate. Click on the 3 points here, and renew. That's amazing, the expire date has changed, which means it will auto-renew now. So Nginx Proxy Manager is installed. Now we are ready for Vaultwarden. Go back to your Portainer, and stack, add stack. So let's see what's going on here. As you can see, we have only one service. It's called Vaultwarden. This is the image we are using. The container name is Vaultwarden. It will start always. And we are binding port 90 to port 80. We are binding the data directory on the container to the opt Vaultwarden directory on the host. And here we have enabled WebSocket. So scroll down and deploy.
2,000 years later.
And it's done. So now if I go to containers, and here it is. So click on the published port, and it's working. But as you can see, it's telling us we have to use HTTPS, and that's why we have installed Nginx Proxy Manager before. So I will copy the link of Vaultwarden, and go to Nginx Proxy Manager, go to host, proxy host, and add proxy host. For domain name, I will take password.libredata.org. And paste the URL we have copied before. Alright, I will take the port 90 and paste it here. Remove this. And we are using HTTP here, so let's delete this too. Alright, I will enable all of these, so cache asset, block common exploits, and WebSocket support. Now go to SSL and select the certificate you have added before and enable force SSL, which is HTTPS redirect, HSTS enabled, HTTP2 support, and HSTS subdomains. Save. Now if I open the new browser tab and type password.libredata.org, as you can see, it is enabled to display the website because DNS resolving isn't working yet. So let's do this. Open up the web UI of your home router. Depending on your home router, the web UI won't look the same, but with some Google you will find your settings. I'm using OpenSense Firewall. For me it is under Services, Unbound DNS, and Overrides. Here I will click on plus. The host is password, and the domain name is Libre-Data.org, and the IP address where Nginx Proxy Manager is installed. This is it for me, and save. Now if I go back to Vaultwarden and made a refresh, okay, still not working, so let's go back to Nginx Proxy Manager. And as you can see, I have wrote password wrong. So let's edit this and edit. Alright, password.libre-data.org. Create and save. Now it looks better, so let's try to open it one more time. And it's working. So let's create the first user. Click on create account, enter your email address. So I will go with cj@libre-data.org and my name is CJ and continue. And create your master password. Now this is the only password you will need to remember. So make sure it's really strong and you won't forget it. And enter it one more time. You can also create a hint and create. And we are in. Now the most important thing to do is to install the browser extension so that Vaultwarden can enter the passwords for you. I will go to another web browser. This is Chromium, so I will go to extensions, manage extensions, Chrome Web Store, and search for Bitwarden. Add. Alright, now it's installed, so I will open it. Login. Under accessing, you have to select self-hosted. Here you have to enter the URL of your Vaultwarden and save. I will select remember email and enter your email address and the password and login. And we are in. So let's close this. Now wait. 98% of you aren't subscribed. You have 5 seconds. Else I will install Windows on your home server. And go to settings, autofill, and enable Chrome autofill. Now let's see how this works. So I will go to my Nginx Proxy Manager. So I will log in. As you can see, it detected a login here. So I will click on save and view. Alright, let's rename it. So edit, and I will call this npm. You can select a folder if you want. And here you can see or change the password and save. Okay, now if I close Bitwarden and log out, now it has the login credentials of Nginx. So all I have to do is click here and select it, and it will automatically enter the username and password. You can also install the Bitwarden smartphone app, which can also autofill the password for you and have all the other features. Now last thing I want to show you is how to create a 2FA key. I'm here on Proxmox. I will go to two-factor, add, TOTP. If you have the smartphone app, you can scan this QR code. But if you are on the PC, you can just copy this secret and open Bitwarden, click on the entry and edit, scroll down and paste the secret key you have copied before under authenticator key and save. And this is a verification code, so copy it and paste it here. For description, I will call this Vaultwarden, add. Okay, now if I log out, click on this to autofill, login. Now I can just click here to autofill the 2FA key. And that's it. Now you have your own self-hosted password manager, so you don't have to pay to one password or I don't know what. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. This is Libre-Data, and we are just getting started. See you in the next time.